Cynthia, and in this video I want to talk about what I'm going to be taking to my trip in Nepal. I have a little mess right now here. I'm just packing for my trip to Nepal. I've actually packed two backpacks that I'm gonna talk about. So they are actually one backpack, but you can detach them, and then I have the rain cover. So I'm just gonna go through what I have in these bags, but yeah, they're fully packed. They are both together 12.5 kilos. I think this one was 7 and this one was around 4 kilos, which is exact amount what Porter can carry for you. I am planning to probably put some stuff in here and carry it as a day pack with me, but yeah, kind of unintentionally I have packed two bags that are exactly the amount that Porter can carry for you. So shoe-wise, I'm taking trainer sneakers, call it whatever you like, and they're waterproof. Then for the evenings, I'm taking something that's again waterproof but more comfortable, and I can also wear it in Kathmandu. And here I have hiking boots that are waterproof for you know, hiking obviously. Then clothing wise, I have two jackets. I have something warmer, and then I have a rain jacket that I'm taking as well, that will protect me from rain. Moving on to pants. I have a lot of pants. Let's actually start here. So these are waterproof pants that can be put on top of other pants, and that's gonna go along with my rain jacket. Then I'm taking actual hiking pants, and underneath, if it gets colder, I can wear these fleece pants. These fleece pants can also be worn, you know, as pajamas at night when it gets colder to sleep. I know, sounds like I'm gonna be wearing the same clothes all the time, and probably I will. Then I have some yoga pants. I'm taking two yoga pants and then one like yoga type style biker shorts if it gets warmer. I might take another pair of shorts. Then I have two fleece jackets. This one's actually new. Again, if it gets colder, I think the key is layers, 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 so you can, you know, take things off and put them on as you like. I have two yoga bras. That will be very useful, and I probably will have one normal one. Then here I have a lot of socks. I have normal socks, and then I have some hiking socks that are not so warm, warmer, etc, etc. I need to figure out how many pairs I will take. I probably will do some laundry in Kathmandu, so I'm not gonna take that many clothes. Then I have one long sleeved thermal layer for sleeping, or if it gets again colder. I will have some t-shirts. I probably will take 4 or 5 that I can then rewash again. They're quick dry sportswear. Clothing wise, obviously I'm taking underwear as well, some gloves, a hat, beanie for colder weather, and something for sun protection, and that's about it clothing wise. On, I have microfiber towel that is quick dry, medium size, doesn't take much space. I have inflatable travel pillow that can you know, be deflated and doesn't take much space. I've used this for years. It's not the most comfortable one, but it doesn't take up space. And I'm gonna be taking a water bottle that can hold your water either cold or hot. It is like 600 milliliters or something. And then I have some medicine, personal items. I'm not gonna go through everything here, but I'm gonna be taking, you know, painkillers, also something for motion sickness. Then I have mosquito spray. Yes, it is DEET. Yes, some people say it's, you know, bad for you. I did catch dengue back in July this year in India, so I'm gonna be definitely using this. Then I have sun protection, SPF, and that is spray, you know, waterproof, sweat proof. I'm taking 2 of these, they are small ones. Then I'm taking hand sanitizer, same as some wet wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, I have a shampoo bar, hairbrush, important thing, plasters that are meant for, you know, blisters. They're really good items. Something that I came across in one of these outdoor sport outlets is I have pocket soap and I have fabric wash, so I can actually wash my clothes, socks, underwear, shirts, etc. I did try them. They're actually really good. Doesn't take any space. I don't need to take shower gel. It's 50 sheets in there, so that's gonna be great. And then I have chlorine tablets for purifying your water. I read blogs, people say you do need them. I don't know if we will use them, but you know, it doesn't again take much space. Then something good to read in the evenings with a headlamp. This is, from what I read in blogs, useful for reading, if there's no light, going to bathroom at night, so yeah. And then I have sunglasses. My favorite thing, spork. Absolutely love it. Use it on a lot of my trips. Then I have, you know, some more toiletries, personal items, and electronics. So what I'm taking is a GoPro. I did buy a big storage SD card. I'm not taking a nicer camera just because it's going to take too much space. I have external charging outlet, battery, portable chargers, multi-travel adapter, travel documents, passport, money, etc. And lastly, I might take some of these. They are energy gels. I'm not gonna take too many. That's, you know, something just in case. And that's it. And personal hygiene items, again, varies from person to person. What I read is that there might not be hot shower, there might not be water at all. So I have kind of prepped myself with wet wipes, with pocket, what they're called, pocket soap, and obviously SPF, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, you know, the basic things that you might need. Then a headlamp, portable charging batteries, something to read at night, maybe playing cards, you know, kind of a little bit of entertainment, your camera, and other essentials. And then a water bottle, if you have one, because you will be carrying water with you. You can take some snacks, or you can buy them in Nepal. I'm not going to be taking too much food. Another thing, you do need to take your toilet paper, but I'm going to be buying that in Nepal, so I'm not going to be taking it here from England. And travel adapter, obviously. Money, travel documents. So that is kind of everything you do need to take. There's not much more to that. Consider, you know, how much weight you can carry, whether you will have a porter or not. So I am packing very light. I'm probably going to be doing laundry in Nepal as well. So bag wise, I'm going to be taking 3 bags with me. I have this massive Osprey bag that I got last year. I haven't actually like backpacked. It is one bag, but it zips and separates, so you have a day pack and then you have a bigger pack. This is female version, you have male version as well. What is great is that, yes, it is one bag when I'm gonna be, you know, carrying through the airport, and then I can separate these bags. Also, it has, if you check it in, a protective, I don't know what it's called, like cover to cover your straps so they don't get tangled and damaged. I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but yeah, I really highly recommend this bag. You can, I think, strap in like a sleeping bag or something here. I don't know all the features. You can like strap in your shoes, put a water bottle in here, so it's great. And then I did borrow, I don't have mine, also Osprey rain cover for both backpacks. And then And then I will be also carrying a little across the shoulder, like a document bum bag, I don't know, where I keep my phone, essentials, money, you know, little things for easier access. And that is it. Let's see how it goes. Bye.